Airtable views allow everyone on your team to work the way they want. And there's nothing better than seeing your team jump in and start creating their own. That's why view management is so important. In addition to releasing 2 new view types, Gantt and Timeline, this year we released a ton of helpful features that make organizing and curating your views when working with a team a whole lot easier. In this video, you'll learn how to take advantage of everything that's new in views for 2021. Let's dive in. When the views in your base start to pile up, it's time to get organized. Creators can now organize views into collapsible view sections. Think of view sections as folders. They're handy ways to store a lot of views under a category or theme. With view sections created, you can now expand and collapse all the sections at once. Free up even more screen real estate by collapsing the Create View panel, so you can better manage your view sidebar. Finally, the view menu has a new, cleaner look, which makes it more accessible and easier to navigate than ever before. Take your view management one step further by curating the views that matter most for your work. Your most important views should be easy to find. Favorite any view by selecting the star next to that view's name. View supersections elevate your essential views instantly by creating 2 sections, My Views and All Views. Any favorited or personal views will automatically be organized in the upper My Views section, while all other views in a table can be found in the lower All Views section. Save time creating the views you need with a new shortcut. Create a new personal view in seconds by clicking the plus button by My Views. Or a new collaborative view by selecting the plus button next to All Views. Personal views are ideal for experimenting with the information organized in your base, without the risk of altering important views your team depends on. Support different stakeholders in your workflow by assigning them their own personal views. Rather than setting up a view for a collaborator and having that individual make the view personal, as a view owner, you can now reassign a personal view to the collaborators in your base. Adding a new view to your table has also been simplified. Selecting the plus button expands a single dialog where you can add a view name and select the visibility type. As an extra safeguard in large bases, new view creation will automatically be set to personal. From favoriting your most important views to creating clarity with view sections, these new view management capabilities make collaborating easier and more organized. Go ahead and give these view updates a try today.